Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy call and put options in Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and enable options trading in your account settings before placing any trade. Search for the underlying ticker, tap Trade, then choose Trade Options and select Call or Put. Pick an expiration date, choose a strike price, set the number of contracts, and submit your order responsibly with a clear exit plan. Start by selecting the stock ticker and opening the options chain in Robinhood. Filter expirations and find strikes that match your thesis, then tap the strike to build an order. Choose between buy to open or sell to open, set quantity, and review the estimated cost and fees. Consider limit orders to control fills and always confirm purchasing power and margin requirements before submitting your trade. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy feet during long market hours. I'll link the pair in the description so you can check current deals and sizes. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After your option fills, track position performance in the Portfolio tab and watch theta decay and implied volatility changes. Use Robinhood's order modifications to set take profit or stop loss orders, and consider rolling positions if you need more time. If assigned early or nearing expiration, decide whether to exercise, close, or let expire based on remaining value and your broader strategy to manage risk and capital efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.